welcome to Crafty Aims Workshop, and guess what? I got another diamond painting from Diamond Art Club, and I did not at all expect this so soon. It was on a pre-order, so this was a surprise to me today when I got it. So yay! So let's see what I got. This one I'm excited about because it's got some of the AB drills in it, which means Aurora Borealis stones, I guess, or something like that. So it has a little bit more flicker, a little bit more pizzazz. Your painting look a little bit more sparkly. That's kind of how I'm understanding it. So let's get into this thing. I can't wait to show you what I got. Ooh, I forgot. I got that too. Okay, so let's do the pen first. I went ahead and got a Diamond Art Club pen. And I think it's one of the new ones that they have, and it comes in this really nice pouch in pink, which is my favorite color. Actually, fuchsia is my most favorite color, the more brighter, pinkier pen, or color, I mean. So here it is. Oh, nice. So this is called the White Glitter Epoxy Pen, and it also comes with, hold on, I can feel it in there, I just can't get it out. I think this is some ends to the pen. So, I mean, it's just crystal clear. I'm loving that. Oh, cool. So we got 3 different placers. So we got 2 multi-placers and 1 single. And so you can add and remove these. So that's nice. Oh no, that's like what, 6 for that one, and that one looks like a 4. I don't know if you can see. Hopefully I've got it in the picture. So then you got this one, which I think is a 4, and then your single. Oh, that is really nice. Let me see. I don't know if you can see it better like that. But do you see all the flecks? Silver flecks in that? Nice. Oh, this is going to be so nice. That's a whole lot better than just one of these. You know, this feels like it's hardly in your hand. This feels like you got something to hold on to. I like that a lot. And it's got the grooves in there so that you can actually, you have something to hold on to. That is really, really, really good. I like that a lot. Nice. And I can't remember how much that was. Was it 15, 16? I'm not sure. I can't remember, guys. I'm sorry. You'll have to look on their website. They have different colors. I chose the clear one. So that's my first special diamond painting pen, drill pen that I got so far. I'm sure more will come in the future. So let's see what I got. I got the Aurowla. Anyways, it's the owl with the Aurora look. I guess is how I can say that. And it has the 1 packet of AB drills, I guess is what that is. So let me see if you can see that. Hopefully I've got that in the picture, in the frame. So let's see what this one looks like. have not been disappointed yet with Diamond Art Club. I have to say they probably so far, which of course I've only gotten Wish so far. I've got some coming from another company, which I'll show you later when I get those. And Diamond Art Club never disappoints. Right now, the only disappointing thing is they just don't have the ability to get what you want out right now. There's not a whole lot of stock because of this virus that we have going on here. But if you guys can be patient with them, you won't regret your decision buying from them. I have been very happy with everything so far. So this is a 32 by 44 centimeter. For this one. And see, oh, those drills just sparkle. You don't even have to do anything. They just sparkle right out of the box. Nice, nice, nice. I like it. Instructions. I like that they have this, and this is a sticker. So, and I noticed on, I think Rachel Ray, she cuts these out and puts them on her boxes so that, or on her little containers for her diamonds, so she can see. That way she doesn't have to use these little stickers that you might have and write them yourself. You can just cut these out and put them on your containers, which I like. That's actually a good idea. I think I'm going to do that. So we have 21 colors, and there's what it will look like, or that's what the artwork that it will be. So we'll see what it looks like when it's done. And here's our extra page, and I was also informed that if you don't like the clear paper, you can use this and put this over it. And then, or maybe you could probably even cut it in sections and use that, so you can do little sections instead of what I do, which probably is not the best way to do it. But what I do is, if I see, like if I'm working in a large section, like I'll start out with a little tiny section right here, but then if I see something just a little bit over to the right or the left, I'll go ahead and place those diamonds there. So anyways, it probably is not the best thing to do. Wow, there is a lot. Oh man, I like this. This is gonna be awesome. And see, you guys, look at how very clear these symbols are on here. I mean, you cannot go wrong. You definitely will be able to figure out where you're supposed to place, you know, whatever bead you're using or drill. So not very many colors, but man. And what do they call it? Confetti. So this is going to be your confetti area here. The rest of it is mainly just blocking, which is, you know, like one big section of one color. And then you have little varieties of places that you can put your other drills. I guess those are for the stars. So I'm betting those are the ABs. Let me look at the drills. Let's see. This one is going to be really pretty. I can't wait. This is a round. Also, this is not the square, this is round. Which, there are positives and negatives to the round and the square, and I can't tell you which one I like the best. Okay, this might be an AB here. I wonder if it says, that looks like it's got glitter on it. I bet that's it. Oh, that is cool. That yellow right there has some sparkle to it, extra sparkle I should say. So there you have it. Those all look great. I never, this is the 1, 2, 3. This is my 4th Diamond Art Club painting. I love it. I love it. They have a great product. If you guys, you're going to pay a little more extra, but it's worth it. Definitely worth it. You have the sticky here is really good. I only had one issue, and I'll talk about that on that painting, but it was my own fault. I had gotten a piece of paper stuck to it. But I remedied that, but I'll talk about that on that painting when I get it finished. But I am really impressed. I really love it. So Diamond Art Club. And I don't know if you all know, if you're new to diamond painting, they have the reason it's club is because you can sign up and you go into different tiers, I guess. Ruby, it depends on how much you're buying from them, and then you go into the next tier or whatever. And so they give you maybe more discount, or maybe they'll give you a sneak peek or a shop before everybody else gets to shop for products. So, I mean, they make it worth your while, definitely. So, alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think this one, I'm not going to be able to even say how to say that. I'm going to have to look it up. Aurowla. If anybody knows how to say that, please direct me to the video or the place that I need to go to learn how to say Aurowla. Aurowla. Owl. So owl. Aurowla. Aurowla. Maybe it's Aurowla. And let's see, and that is by JoJoes Art. So you guys check it out. Alright, I'm loving Diamond Art Club. I'm not sponsored by them or anything. I just like their product. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't already, go ahead and push that subscribe button. I hope to come out with more videos, and not just diamond painting. I will be doing a variety of things. You can check back at my other videos and see what I've done. I hope to come back out with better content and better video skills. Thank you all for sticking with me, and if you have any suggestions of things you'd like to see, let me know in the comments below. Alright guys, hope you guys are having a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye!